Trying to design the perfect affiliate campaign can take weeks, but you can get a full setup ready in just one afternoon, all behind the scenes. Start simple by jotting everything down in a Google Doc. Plan your lead magnet, your email sequence, and where your affiliate link will go before touching any complicated tools. Lots of beginners get stuck overthinking design, copy, and text stuff. If you just write out a simple outline in Google Docs, you can see exactly what your campaign will look like. Design what your lead magnet will be, figure out your email sequence, and drop in your affiliate link. That's really all you need to start. Then you can connect your emails to a landing page using free tools like MailerLite. Keep it simple and organized. Having a clear plan makes it way easier to launch quickly without feeling overwhelmed. Even without spending weeks on it, your campaign will look and feel ready to go. If you want to go even faster, the AI Faceless List Builder provides pre-built funnel templates and AI-generated email prompts. This means you can launch your first faceless campaign in a single afternoon without stressing over every word or design choice. And it comes with bonuses like Faceless Campaign Creator Bot and AI Prompt Vault, which guide you step by step so you can stay focused and actually launch instead of getting stuck in planning mode. For less than $20, the AI Faceless List Builder gives you everything you need to create and launch a faceless affiliate campaign quickly, confidently, and without showing your face. Check the link in the description to get started today.